Hello guys, good morning, and it's our third day here in Austria, and papunta kami ngayon ng Hallstatt. So our first destination will be Hallstatt, then nakabook kami ng hotel sa Salzburg. So para mga half day lang kami sa Hallstatt. So it's my second time around sa Hallstatt, and yeah, I'm really excited again to see Hallstatt. See you there guys! 40 minutes na lang, and yeah, nasa Hallstatt na din kami. Excited to see Hallstatt again. It's your first time, Sven, no?
Yeah, it's my first time.
You will love it. You will love Hallstatt. Guys, gusto niyo bang tumira dito? Gusto niyo bang tumira? Sobrang ganda. Yan. Hindi ako titira dito. No. Kahit sobrang ganda. Kasi walang gagawin.
There's the train to Hallstatt.
I think so, yeah. Sobrang ganda. Yeah. Grabe ang traffic papuntang Hallstatt city or yung center nila. Tapos andito pa kami sa loob ng isang tunnel, tapos traffic pa and masikip pa. Ayan. Pag ikaw may claustrophobia, ay nako talaga, ninerebisin ka talaga kasi imagine mo sa loob ng isang tunnel, mai-stuck kayo sa traffic, no? Tapos iisipin mo kung ano-ano. Grabe. Ayan. Mahaba-habang tunnel pa naman to. Mga 3 to 4 kilometers na. I don't know.
The tunnel?
Finally, nakalabas na kami ng tunnel, and yeah, mahaba-habang tunnel and still traffic. Pero guys, welcome to Hallstatt. Yes.
Zentrum gesperrt. Na toll. Okay.
It's okay. Hallstatt. Hi guys, andito na kami sa Hallstatt, and it's not really recommended to go here on a weekend, and if you have a car, it's really traffic kasi even sa parking lot, yun yung pinakamahirap na part, yung maghanap ng parking lot, and talagang pipila ka. Eto, nakapila kami sa labas ng parking lot, and kailangan namin kailangan magtiis, but it's still okay. We are still surviving. Nas, Benny?
Yes. No choice.
No choice, but
We are here already.
yeah, Hallstatt is East Hallstatt, so
True.
we will enjoy here. Finally, after maybe 30 minutes na naghihintay dito sa labas ng parking lot, naghihintay na lang kami ng isang auto na lalabas para kami makalabas din kasi punong-puno, and nakakagigil at nakakainis ang paghintay kasi ewan ko, basta ayan, may palabas ng isa, tapos kami na din papasok maya. Ayan, pero ang ganda ng view. Ang ganda ng view. Actually, yeah, it's better there. Finally guys, finally.
Should we park here?
Yes, better to park there. Welcome to Hallstatt. Ayan, pwede kang umakyat dyan, tapos pupunta ata sa mga salt mining. Ayan yung view na yun, yung parating yung nakikita sa mga picture. Ayan yun. Tapos ito yung sea. Ang ganda ng Hallstatt, kaso marami ng tourist. Like 2021 ang pumunta kami dito, hindi pa masyadong marami, pero ngayon siguro seasonal talaga. Yeah, it's really beautiful.
But it's okay.
Yes. Yeah, it's Sunday, and I think because of Sunday. Yeah, I think it's because of Sunday kaya maraming tao, pero the last time na pumunta kami dito wala masyado. Ang ganda. This is Hallstatt, guys. Ang ganda ng Hallstatt. Madami na nga lang turista, pero ganun talaga. Ayan, yung mga old houses din nila, sobrang ganda. Maglalakad-lakad tayo mamaya. So how do you find Hallstatt?
I love it. It's cute. Beautiful.
Beautiful na, but a
Yeah.
lot of tourists now.
That's okay.
That's okay,
It's
yeah.
okay. It's a tourist hotspot.
Actually. And yeah, we had a coffee here before, me and Shaila, with this one. Yeah. Beshi Shaila, dito tayo nagkape last time, oh. Ayan. Dati tayong dalawa lang actually yung customer, ngayon madami na. Sobrang ganda. Tsaka maputik. Good luck sa white shoes. Good luck to our white shoes, Ben.
True.
Good luck to our white shoes.
Oh, there's a car.
Yes. Tingnan nyo naman yung mga bahay, ang gaganda. Ayan. Imagine titira ka dito na. Ayan. Ayan na yung makakapunta na tayo doon sa famous church ng Hallstatt. Ayan. Ang ganda na. Ayan. Sobrang ganda pa rin ng Hallstatt kahit madaming tao. Pwede ata makapasok ng simbahan eh. Ayan. So guys, ito yung loob ng church. Maliit lang pero maganda. Ayan, may church din na isa dito pero di ko alam paano pumunta dun sa taas. Saan yung entrance. Tapos dito naman, pag sasakay ka ng maliit nilang bangka para tatawid sa kabilang island. Yeah. Dito yung pila. Ayan. Tapos ito yung time slot nila guys. Ayan. Ito naman yung price. Ayan yung price at saka time slot nila. Ang ganda, no? Ang ganda. So, aakyat tayo dito guys. Papuntang simbahan. Ayan. Ang ganda din pala pag winter dito, pag yung mga mountains na babalutan ng ice. Kasi last time nung pumunta kami dito ni Shaila, eh wala. August yun eh, so wala pang snow, wala masyadong tao, pero maganda. Kakapagod ah. Ayan. Should we go more up or first in the church? No? Sure. Madulas din. Sobrang dulas. Ah. Ito din yung cemetery nila. So, like from 1929 to 2019. Grabe, no? Imagine dito ka ililibing. Eh di ang ganda ng view. Wow. Mapapasabi ka na lang talaga ng wow. Na. Grabe ang ganda. Guys, if you want to have a good picture, umakyat kayo dito sa church na to. And then, ayan. Sobrang ganda. Ito din yung loob ng isang church dito sa Hallstatt. So guys, that's the end of our tour. And pupunta na kami ngayon sa Salzburg. It's 1 hour and 20 minutes ata ang layo. Yo, ang ganda pa rin ng Hallstatt. Pero it's better na mag-visit kayo dito pag weekdays, not weekend, kasi sobrang busy, traffic, especially kung may sasakyan kayo. Ay nako, grabe. See you there guys, bye bye. Ayan, nangangaroling sila guys. Ganyan yung ganyan yung sila magkaroling. On our way now, papuntang Salzburg. And doon kami mag-overnight. And guys, this is our view. Sobrang ganda din. So I'm gonna end this vlog, and guys, thank you for watching, thank you for supporting, and please continue watching my vlog. Thank you so much. God bless you all. God bless you all. Good morning guys, and this is only a short video or short vlog. We are in Salzburg, and today also we are going back to Germany because yeah, this is our last day of vacation. So I will just, you know, nothing, we will just go to the castle here in Salzburg, and yeah, then we will be going back also, of course. Thank you for watching. Ayan na yung castle, pero hindi nakikita kasi napaka-foggy dahil sa taas ng temperature. Kaya today,
Why here?
wala kasing parking, magpa-parkingan dito guys, kaya no choice, talagang maglalakad ka. Grabe, ayan na din yung city, kaso hindi makikita kasi napaka-foggy. Grabe naman ang hingal. Hi guys, andito na kami sa tower or top of the tower, and sayang walang view kasi foggy pa rin. Sayang, pero experience na nakaakyat dito. Guys, umakyat kami ng napakataas, tapos ito lang yung view namin. Talaga ba yung ganyan ang i-view namin? Maraming salamat na lang sa lahat. Ayan, wala.